My name's Jason. Company is Lodestar Construction. We are based out of Hayden, Idaho, and we specialize in custom new home builds, large addition, and luxury remodels. Since joining Aspire, it's changed dramatically. Previously, I was just kind of flying by the seat of my pants, and since joining up with Aspire, it's really helped us have constant cash flow, forecasting, and lowered my stress level. I know what I need to sell, I know what I need to build, when, why, and how. And before, I never had that. I've kind of just been down in the dark by myself, hoping we make money. Now I know we're going to make money. I also block in time for my family that I didn't have before, and I was losing that and giving that up because I didn't have a plan. Aspire's labor burden calculators really helped me find a lot of those profit leaks. We weren't accounting for the truck payment, the fuel, the maintenance, the tools, any of that. You know, we just sort of went, where did that money go? We should have made money. We should have, if we would have accounted for it. We've filled a lot of profit leaks thanks to Aspire. They've lived it, walked it, breathed it. And that's important to me, you know, because if you haven't been a part of our industry, I don't think you understand what's really going on inside of it. I've been through other coaching and mentoring programs, both online, in person, and just hadn't found a good fit. And talking with Fred at Aspire, I could tell that he obviously cared more about me than my business, right? He was invested in me, wanted to invest that energy and effort into me. If anybody asks me, you know, what have you done, how have you done it? It's gonna be real easy to point to Aspire and just say, look, I'm walking living proof. And I think everybody else I've seen in the program is also living proof of that.